you pindue the other side.
This
Not,
one only?
no, all of them.
All of them?
Yeah.
This is how they look like. They look like this, like this, like that. How do you turn?
Good.
Is it a must
You can't even roll. You can't. It's not must you turn.
Oh, I can roll them, eh? This way. This way.
Yeah.
And then you start rolling. Huh? Hello guys, welcome to this YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. And today's video, my wife here is going to show me how to cook chapati. We are going to cook chapati with
Pumpkin and brown flour.
Alright.
And white flour.
Yes, and our pumpkin is here. So we have cut pumpkin right now, and it's one that is boiling here. Can you open it? It's one boiling here. So that's what we are going to make today. We are going to do the video of cooking chapati with the pumpkin, soft chapati. My wife knows how to cook them, so I decided why not let her show me today how to cook chapati with pumpkin. So do you love chapati with pumpkin, or do you love chapati in general? Just comment there below. Tell us if you love chapati.
Yeah.
And kindly please like this video and also subscribe to this channel.
Yeah.
Yes.
Please do subscribe and like.
Will you show me in a proper way
What?
to cook chapati?
Yeah.
Yeah, my wife is waiting
I'll
to
teach him until he knows.
Because
he can't know with one day.
yeah, you'll teach me. Is it what step by step? Right?
Yeah.
And maybe by the end of the year, I'll know how to cook chapati.
First of all, I'll teach you how to make the dough.
The dough.
Yeah.
Oh, we mix the dough
soft.
with
Pumpkin.
we blend them after boiling. We make them cool.
Yeah.
And then we blend, or
Yeah.
you can smash it.
Yeah.
And then you mix it with the flour. That is the white flour and brown flour.
Yeah.
So join us as we cook. Let's go. So we are doing what?
Yeah, starting to smash the pumpkin until they become smooth, and then we will go to the next.
Also, you use the fork to smash them, eh?
Yeah, I use the fork because the fork it's easier than spoon.
Yeah. So after smashing, then you mix with this flour.
Yeah, no.
Oh, you mix with water.
Yeah, I put some water. I'll show them the process.
So we are running. If you are there, you don't know how to cook chapati with pumpkins, eh? So we are running together. Smashing. Oh, this pumpkin looks nice.
Yeah.
This one here. After boiling.
Yeah.
The next process would be
When you see it has become smooth, you see, like this. You put some hot water.
hot or warm?
Hot. For me,
Totally hot.
For me, I prefer hot. You can put hot. Some people put warm. Some people put cold. You mix the pumpkin with the water. You see? Like that. You see the water now, it's...
Mixes there.
Yeah.
Oh, it mixes with the pumpkin.
Yeah.
Alright. So, is this sugar or salt?
Sugar.
So it's sugar.
Yeah.
So you add sugar?
Yeah, you want sugar? For me, I add like 3 spoons.
3 spoons.
Yeah. 3 spoons.
The small spoon, because I see this is a small.
6 The small spoon, 6 spoons.
So you have put 6.
Yeah. After that,
But this
you
is
mix.
the choice of there are some people does not use the sugar. There are those who use the sugar
Only
in large number or in large quantity.
Yeah.
Not large number. What are we pouring? Is it flour?
Brown flour.
Oh, brown flour.
Yeah.
Oh, remember guys, we are using brown flour and white flour, so we mix them together.
Yeah. After that, you put the white flour now.
The white flour. So this is white flour now.
Yeah, the white flour.
The Ajab. Are we promoting the Ajab company?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
So this is what we call all-purpose home baking flour. Fortified. So you mix it. Just mix the two. What do we call this process, babe?
This.
Is it?
To making dough. To kanda.
Guys, can you tell us in the comment below what do we call this process of making dough?
In English.
In English.
What do we call this?
Because it's a process of doing something. So you just mix them together.
Yeah.
Have you put salt?
Yeah. I put salt when the pumpkin is in the on.
Oh, when it was boiling.
Yeah.
There's someone commented that we love cooking chapati.
We
Now
love
you are going to cook ugali. In a short. Next time we are going to cook ugali with something else. So we are going to cook rice.
or kideri.
Yeah.
But my husband does not like kideri that much.
Me spend kideri.
He doesn't like kideri that much. But me, it's my everything.
So you do this until it's ready.
Yeah.
And how do you know it's ready? How do you tell it's ready?
How do I tell it's ready? When I see it,
because now that's where I always miss.
When I see, you see the way it is.
So now it's hard.
Yeah, it's hard. You do like this until it's soft. But you hear, you can feel it's ready. Yeah.
So is it ready?
Yeah.
Wow. See how it is.
Then now we will put some oil.
Oh, you're going to put some oil.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, so you put some oil so for it to be soft.
Yeah. To be more soft.
So guys, we are learning. Welcome, and as we learn together, I'm learning. I don't know how to cook chapati, but now my wife is trying to illustrate to me how to cook them. Also, you can be there and you don't know how to cook chapati, so also for you being keen, and as we learn together here, right? So you put some oil.
Yeah.
So you put some oil like this. Actually, it's becoming soft. It's becoming softer. So it's ready now.
Yeah.
Wow.
You see?
It's very soft. It's soft, it's soft.
When the dough is soft, you do like this and it comes up. You see?
You
see?
Yeah. So after this you put them for a while.
Yeah.
30 minutes.
Like 30 minutes.
For it to, what do you say? Is it to settle or to do what?
For it to settle, to be more soft, more. You know?
More soft.
Yeah.
Because I always see some videos when people are cooking like
for it to cool.
Madazis, all those.
Yeah, for
they
it
put
to
them
cool.
For some time before they cook them.
So that it can be cool. It can cool.
Oh, now I get it.
Yeah.
Alright, so the next one will be lorry.
Yeah.
So you are rolling it.
Yeah.
You put some oil.
Yeah.
So then you spread it.
Yeah.
Do you think there is any other way of cooking chapati?
Yeah. Many ways of cooking there.
Oh, you cut direct.
Yeah.
Or without spreading this way.
Yeah.
And why do you spread it?
Spread the oil.
No, the way you have spread it.
Like
you
this.
have rolled it.
Because it's easier than cutting one, then oil, then put oil, then like that.
Also, it's become easier.
Yeah, because like this, you will cut like that, and then you will roll just once without many things. You know, the other way, you can cut from there, you roll here, then you put oil, then you coil. You see? And that's a bit tiresome.
So you're cutting in several
layers. You cut like this. You see this? This now is easier. Because you cut here, then
you start rolling. Can I try?
You can try.
Let me try, guys, and see if I'll have any idea. So you hold that this way.
Yeah.
And then you start rolling.
You start to coil.
Oh, this is coiling. All of it?
No. Yeah. Enough.
That is enough.
Yeah.
So I cut it.
Yeah.
And then after cutting it,
you cut like that. Then you put
here. That way?
Yeah, like that.
Wow, guys. But then
this one you roll, then you mix with the other.
I roll this one.
Yeah. Small, not that big.
Then I use it with this one here.
Yeah.
And how do you know where to?
Enough.
So even this one here. That way.
Like that. You see how it's easier?
Oh, now I'm getting
just
it.
Easy.
So I rolled the one that is remaining.
Yeah.
You say small?
Yeah, small.
When you roll this way, does it mean that is it rolling or coiling?
Coiling.
Is this enough all I add?
Yeah.
It's enough.
Yeah.
So when you add this, when you do this way, so your chapatis will have what we call some layers.
Yeah.
So guys, that's how it's done. Eh? So I think now I have a point of cooking chapati.
Enough.
Then you cut it.
Yeah. You see, you are adopting.
I'm trying, guys. I'm trying.
Not you are trying. You have gotten it.
I'm doing it perfect.
Yeah.
You know, you always cook yummy chapatis.
Thank you.
And I want to be like you.
You want to be like me?
So when you are gone, you are gone like to visit somewhere. And I'm alone.
You will cook.
Can cook all I can cook for you one day.
Small, baby.
How do you mean small?
Like that, enough. Eh, that's big.
This big?
Yeah, that's too big.
This will be mine.
No, cut here.
It's not that big.
I want them to be equal.
Not to be equal.
Yeah.
Is there a way you weigh them, or how do you know that they are now?
They are not what?
Enough. Or you just look them?
Yeah, I just look them. But I just feel.
Oh, with hands. Like you feel like with hands. Is that what you mean small? Is it
enough?
Enough. So I cut.
Yeah.
Then after cutting, now this is where do you do this?
I don't do that, me. But you are doing it nice.
Nicer. So you don't have. Guys, now I know. I know how to do it.
Now you are pretending because you know how to do it.
I'm very much what do you call it? I'm proud.
You are proud. Okay.
So you're going to do this process until we are finished with it. That's all. Right. So stick to this video, like it. Let's see how chapati gonna be like. All right.
Yeah.
And today's whole video is my wife teaching me on how to cook chapati.
And that's fast method.
So fast method. You know, the first one I was not able to how to mix them to have this soft. You see?
Yeah.
This soft texture. I never knew. So now I know how to do it and also to roll them here.
Yeah.
To coil. Have you umeita coiling? Hiyo ni kucoil?
Yeah.
So let's continue. So after coiling them, they look like this. Wow. Look what I've done. Amazing, man. Hey. First time coiling and then I have this outcome. So the next process is
to roll.
Oh, to roll now to be circular.
Yeah.
Or you can have a map of Mount Kenya, of Kenya, a map of Africa. For me now we have another problem there. So this is what it gives me headache. To roll and then also you put it this way before putting any oil.
Yeah.
Okay. So you put them this way after rolling them, right?
Yeah.
Are you saying the correct words? Is it rolling? Is it what?
Yeah, it's rolling. Like this, rolling.
Yes, for me I will create a Kenyan map.
Will you try? No, I will give you another one to try. Let me finish this one.
You can see the texture of brownish. See? It's brown.
Drying them.
So after drying, so this is the method of drying.
Yeah.
Okay. So after drying them this way, so you turn in both sides.
Yeah.
So how many will you do this for you to start putting some oil?
Like 10. Or I divide them by half.
Okay.
If they are 20, I will do 10. If they are 24, 12. Like that.
So it's half.
Mhm.
Easy. How do you turn?
Good.
Is it a must?
You can't even roll. You can't. It's not must you turn.
Oh, I can load them, eh?
Mhm.
Easy.
We turn them because they will.
And why is mine small?
It's big.
This one?
Yeah. Si unaongesha hiyo kitu.
I want to turn correctly.
Mhm.
I feel that it's very big.
Enough. Na wekelea hapa sasa.
So when you want to kuwekelea is this. So kuwekelea is
To put on the pan.
Hey, mine is square.
You can do it to be me.
So I take another one.
Mhm.
I put flat here.
Yeah.
Here. Is it enough?
Then you do like this.
Or I add another one.
You do like this, like that, so that the rolling stick cannot stick on it.
So I start rolling.
Haya, turn it. Turn it.
I turn it on the other way around.
Yeah, like that. Stop doing doom. Babe. Enough.
Why is mine small?
It's big.
Huh?
It's enough.
What do you mean it's big? I see it's small.
Can you? Hebu shika hapa kidogo nikuonyesha. Someone do.
So now we start putting some oil. You apply some oil.
Yeah.
So you start by putting oil down
Yeah.
at the pan. Then you put it upward.
Yeah.
Are you putting 1 spoon?
Yeah.
Or you put another one so that you cannot be bad? How do you avoid for the chapati not to be so dry or so hard?
So hard.
Because your chapati is always soft.
You
What's
know
the
what
method?
I do? I don't put a lot of fire and I don't put a lot of oil.
Or the fire that you
Yeah. When you put a lot of oil, put a lot of fire.
Wow. Very nice. Wow, look at it. Wow. You You mean if I cook mine, it will be like this?
Yeah.
So let me try. So what am I going to do?
Put the oil.
I put the oil.
Yeah. Like that.
One
You know. That's mainly. You know that spoon is deep.
So remember, it's Chef Martin or Chef Eman in operation. So then, then you
pindue the other side.
This
Not,
one only.
No, all of them.
All of them.
Yeah. Take.
Then I take this one here. That's all of it. Hey man. So I wait for it to be ready.
Can I see if it's ready?
Not yet. So and then I take this one.
Yeah. No, they all of them.
Oh, I have cooked already.
This
here.
and this.
Oh, I have already cooked there.
No, you have not.
So I take which?
Take these ones.
Oh, all of it.
No.
This.
Yeah, that ones. Those three.
I take them like this.
You
I
put
oil.
oil. Yeah. You know when you take long to nini to put the nini, it's dry. It gets dry.
Oh, it gets dry.
Yeah.
I roll them.
Yeah.
Is it rolling or spreading? What is it?
Anything can be called. English is not vegetable.
So, according to your observation, am I doing it correctly? Or
Yeah, you are doing it right.
I'm doing my own things.
Put oil on the top.
On the top, I put oil.
Yeah.
This is a little. I add.
That's enough. Yeah.
Aye. I'm getting it. Hey. Next time I'm the one to cook for you.
Okay. I'll be waiting.
So
Let me see. Down.
Down.
Yeah. It's good.
It's good, eh?
I put the oil.
So I put the oil. First of all, I
take those ones. Put the oil. Faster, so that it can't dry down.
Oh.
Wait for it to be ready.
So guys, how do you think about that? Yeah? How do you think about it?
He has done it.
I have done it. I have done it. Okay. So you repeat this. You repeat this.
Yeah. Let me see.
Until
it's put the oil up.
Put the oil up. That's okay.
Yeah. Slowly. You can't burn yourself. Hey.
Can you show them my face? You know, they might think that it's you who are cooking. I'm the one who is in the kitchen. I'm the one who is in the kitchen cooking. So today I've tried.
You have done it well.
Wow. Just look here. put some oil.
You see? Like that. You turn them slowly.
How many chapatis are these?
I think 8.
8 of them. Wow. Guys, do you use this method to cook chapati? You can start doing this business. You cook some chapati and sell them.
I sell them to these
You
people
pack
of
them.
Nigeria.
You pack them.
I sell them to the offices.
You pack them well.
How do you think, guys?
How do you think about that business? Because my wife here knows how to cook them. Look at that chapati. Wow. I found a wife. I found a wife. And this wife knows how to cook.
You found a chef.
Oh, you are really a chef. You know how to do a tingo.
Even when I go to the village.
Oh, you are the one?
Saying,
No, it's only 6 will cook.
"Let someone who is cooking chapati." You know there is a pro of chapo here.
Yes.
That's how they say.
Today I've tried to cook chapati directed by my wife here. Yes, you can see she's also very busy cooking. So we are about to finish, right? So we are cooking chapati, but we are eating it with beans. That's what we are cooking. We are eating with beans, maharagwe.
Beans and liver.
Do you love beans? You know, beans can make you start producing some bombs, reactors.
Especially when they are not dry.
You start creating bombs within your stomach. But we are not creating bombs in our stomach using beans. Actually, you can put some pili to avoid that. Some chili, that is red chili or black pepper. You can put black pepper.
Yeah, maybe black pepper.
To avoid. So guys, what do you think about this video? Please comment down there. And as we wind up, because now we are winding up, let me just show you what we have cooked. We are winding up, and this is the final. Wow, wow, how yummy it is. Look at that. So how many chapatis have you cooked?
I've got, I don't know.
It's 20 something.
Yeah.
20 plus. Yes. So guys, we have finished cooking our chapati, and we are going to show you how they look like.
Yeah.
And also, although you have seen when we are cooking, they are very yummy and very soft. So thank you very much for showing me how to cook, and also for showing us how to cook yummy chapatis and soft chapatis
Welcome.
with pumpkins.
Yeah.
So we are going to say, but before we go, let us show them how they look like. This is how they look like. They look like this, like that. Wow.
It's like pages.
They are very yummy. Very yummy.
They are so.
So this is our last. We will never sew chapatis again. You know, someone told us that, hey, you are sewing chapati a lot. We love chapatis.
We love chapati, by the way.
So we are going to end this video here. See you on the next one.
Yeah.
We are going to end our video here.
Yeah.
See you on the next one, guys.
Bye.
And please kindly subscribe and like it, alright? And by doing that, we will really support.
Yeah.
So bye bye, guys.
See you next
See you
time.
next time. Please subscribe to my wife's channel, which is 6254. 6254.
6254.
Yes.
Yeah.
Bye.
YouTube.